Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into FactSet's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. FactSet, a leader in financial data and analytics, has just released its Q3 2025 earnings. There's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to changes in leadership.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. FactSet reported a GAAP revenue of $585.5 million for Q3 2025, which is a 5.9% increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by FactSet's wealth and institutional buy-side clients. The company has seen a significant increase in its annual subscription value, or ASV, which is up 4.5% year over year to $2,296.9 million. This indicates strong client retention and new client acquisition.
Despite the revenue growth, the adjusted EPS came in at $4.27, a 2.3% decline from last year. What factors contributed to this?
The decline in adjusted EPS is mainly due to higher operating expenses, which offset the revenue growth. These expenses include increased base salaries and costs associated with recent acquisitions.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. FactSet's operating margin decreased to 33.2%, down 350 basis points from last year. How is the company addressing these operational challenges?
The decrease in operating margin is attributed to higher amortization of intangible assets and increased operating expenses. However, FactSet is focusing on strategic investments and operational efficiencies to improve margins in the future.
With a new CEO, Sanoka Viswanathan, taking the helm in September, what can we expect from FactSet moving forward?
Sanoka Viswanathan's appointment signals a new chapter for FactSet. The company is well positioned to leverage its strong foundation and continue its growth trajectory. The focus will likely be on expanding its digital platform and enhancing client solutions.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $4.31 for this quarter, but FactSet reported an adjusted EPS of $4.27. John, what does this slight miss mean for the company?
The 0.4 miss on EPS, while minor, reflects the challenges FactSet faces with rising costs. However, the company's strong revenue growth and strategic initiatives suggest that it is on a solid path to meet its long-term goals.
Do you think this will impact investor sentiment?
While the EPS miss might cause some short-term volatility, FactSet's overall performance and strategic direction should reassure investors about its future prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, FactSet has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2025 with notable revenue growth and strategic leadership changes. Despite a slight EPS miss, the company's future looks promising under new leadership. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing FactSet's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on FactSet's performance in the comments below.